The Tamil Nadu Assembly, which resumed today, and AIADMK members were seen wearing black t-shirts, shirts and black bands on the Chennai sex assault case, where they allege that the DMK government has made the Tamil Nadu state an unsafe state. My colleague Sam Daniel is joining me for more on this. Sam, take us through what exactly Chief Minister Stalin said while hitting back at AIADMK members. And the AIADMK members today protested inside the Tamil Nadu Assembly as well as outside over Chennai sex assault case. Remember, a student was sexually assaulted inside Anna University in Chennai, and a biryani seller was arrested in the case. But since that rape horror jolted the nation, the AIADMK and the BJP are targeting the DMK government, the Stalin government, saying that it is now unsafe even inside the universities for students to live in Tamil Nadu, and hence the DMK government should step down. The Chief Minister Stalin should step down. However, Chief Minister Stalin has now hit back at the protesting members. My colleague Sam Daniel is joining me for more on this. Sam, take us through the exact details that Chief Minister Stalin gave while slamming the protest of the AIADMK.
Well, responding to the call attention motion brought in by both the key opposition AIADMK and few other parties, including the PMK and BJP, also some of the allies of the ruling DMK, Chief Minister MK Stalin has responded with respect to the alleged sexual assault on the Anna University campus. He says FIR in this case was immediately registered and the suspect arrested in a few hours. He says the SIT investigation by the team constituted by the High Court is underway. No matter who is involved from any background, that person would be arrested, tough action would be taken. He denies allegations of the opposition. He says in the case of another sexual scandal allegation during the AIADMK regime, 12 days were taken to file the FIR, but in this case it was done immediately. And he says there are attempts to tarnish the ruling DMK with what he calls baseless allegations, but that will not work. And he says don't intimidate girls coming to college and their higher education. With respect to allegations by the BJP, he says he does not want to bring dishonor to the House by responding to what the BJP has brought to the public domain. And he also added on allegations that suspect is a member of the DMK. MK Stalin for the first time has conceded that that person is a supporter of the DMK, but not a member of the DMK. Nevertheless, he says we have arrested him, we're not shielding or protecting him, and even Gundas has been invoked against him. And women's safety, he says, is paramount for the ruling DMK. But the opposition is not satisfied. The AIADMK walked out of the assembly saying that the Chief Minister ought to respond to this particular case and not rake up what happened under the AIADMK regime. He has to explain what in terms of women's safety has been done in the context of the recent sexual assault. The BJP again says there's no point in blaming the Chancellor, the Governor Chancellor, for not having appointed the Vice Chancellor for Anna University and tacitly making him responsible. The BJP says even outside campuses across Tamil Nadu, crime against women and law and order in that case, in that sense, is on the rise. Crime is on the rise, and the Chief Minister ought to have used this opportunity, the BJP feels, to explain what measures have been put in place to ensure women's safety, to enhance women's safety across Tamil Nadu. And this is what the Congress Legislature Party head, Selva Perundugai, MLA, had to say. Joining us now, Mr. Selva Perundugai, the Tamil Nadu Congress President and MLA. Thank you very much for your time. How does the Congress look at the alleged sexual assault on the Anna University campus? Are you going soft because you're an ally?
We are condemning the Anna University issue. The High Court monitoring this case. Already one accused Nanasegaran arrested. Act 14 invoked. He is in prison. Investigation going on. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Tamil Nadu Police, thoroughly the investigation going on. Apart from that, the special investigation team, Thiru police officer appointed. So investigation going on, truth will come out.
One question being raised by the opposition about who is the other person.
Even opposition party, even particularly BJP, ADMK, talking about this, who's that sir? What we are asking Congress, the server and the control of the union government, telecom department and the control of the union government, they should tell who's that sir.
Lastly, the UGC has brought many changes in the draft guidelines with respect to appointment of vice chancellors and even principals to colleges across the country.
The BJP RSS agenda, all power from state government, they're taking the union government. Already the education department they're taken. So now they're going to take all higher education department to union government control. Governor only ruling the government.
What's your worry on that?
No, we are condemning this. We have to withdraw.
The kind of impact this could have on higher education?
Definitely we are going to approach the Supreme Court. We are going to approach the people. Definitely it will be scrapped.